Now, this particular video right here went from having just 3 views to over 1,287 views in just a couple of hours of setting up my ads right here on TikTok. I've gotten a couple of more hundreds of followers, and at the same time I've gotten a lot of leads to where I'm taking my traffic to right now. You as well can grow your TikTok followers from 3 followers to over 18k followers like myself in just 3 days, and you can also go from 0 sales to making over 2 million naira in sales using TikTok ads. Now, there are over 35 million Nigerians that are active on TikTok, spending an average of 52 minutes a day scrolling, watching and engaging with TikTok content. Now imagine the power of getting your business in front of that audience. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create high converting TikTok ads that target the Nigerian audience effectively. And this is going to work for you whether you are a small business, an online vendor, or just starting out. TikTok ads can actually transform your reach, and I'm going to break down every single steps, so you want to keep watching this particular video till the very end. Now, during the course of this video, I'm going to be dropping a couple of timestamps, so you can also get to skip to whichever aspect of the video that might be more important for you. Now, why TikTok ads? Now, before we dive into details, let's talk about why TikTok ads are a game changer for businesses right here in Nigeria. You see, TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms worldwide, with over 1 billion active users globally and an especially fast-growing audience here in Nigeria. The platform's ad system is very incredibly powerful, allowing you to target specific age groups, interests, and even behaviors. It is also relatively cheap right now, and this means that if you've struggled with the high cost of Facebook or Instagram ads, then TikTok is an ideal alternative that is still relatively untapped. And because TikTok algorithm is designed to push viral content, your ad have a higher chance of reaching not only your target audience, but also a wider group of engaged users. Now, guess what? You can also make payments for your TikTok ads with your Nigerian card, and this makes it even way easier. Now, with TikTok ads, you can do 4 major things right now. You can boost accounts, where you get more video views, more followers, and more profile views. You can get sales, where you get more website visits. You can also get leads for more messages or more calls. Now, let's move into the campaign structure for your TikTok ads. You see, the campaign structure around TikTok is from the campaign level to the ad group to the ad itself, right? Where we are having first the campaign level, and then the second, the ad group level, where you get to choose your location, targeting your interest and behavior, and you can also get to choose the age and gender, where you can narrow down your audience to those who most likely would engage with your ads. Now, we have the ad level, which is the third level here, and this is where you can upload your creative, and TikTok basically would help you to make sure that ad performs best. Now, how do we get started on here? Once you're already on your TikTok account, you want to go over to your profile. Now, looking right here on my own TikTok account, you can see that I have my bio well set up with a link on my bio. And also, I also have some videos that have been uploaded here on the channel. Now, if you're just creating a new TikTok account, then you want to make sure you actually fulfill all of these things and check all these boxes. Have at least 5, videos on this very space. Now, once you've done this, you want to come over here, tap on these 3 lines on here, go over to settings and privacy, go over to accounts, and you have the option to switch to a business account. Now, at this very point of making this particular video, there is really no difference much with having a business account, and we are hoping that there's going to be more availability of that option that gives you, something more advanced that would require a business account. But for this purpose, you can also use a personal account. Now, this is exactly where you want to subscribe to this channel, so that when there's more update on this, I will share a video and give you guys that information. Now, let's go over by clicking on the TikTok Studio option right here. And once you're in here, you want to scroll down, and then you want to click on Promote. Now, once you click on Promote, it's going to take you over to this Create Dashboard, and you exactly get to see the goals on here. Now, you're able to boost your account, where you can get more video views, more followers, and more profile. You can actually get sales, where you can link people to a website. You can boost your live section, and at the same time, you can just get leads. And on lead section, you're getting more messages or more phone calls. Now, let us start out with boosting maybe video views or growing our followers. Let's say I want to grow my followers on here, and I tap on that. You want to see that the next thing I want to do now is to select the content. Now, with TikTok, you're going to be running ads with the content, and I'm going to come over here, and I'll just tap on this, and I'm going to select whatever content that I want to use to maybe grow my followers and all. So let's say I want to use this one right now, and I've tapped on it. Next thing I want to do is to select a custom promotion. Now, this is exactly where I would be setting up the audience that I should be reaching out to. Now, there's an option where TikTok gets to help you to define what audience you want, which is actually not bad, but I would prefer that I get to choose who I want to be targeting based on their interest. But here, I can choose custom. And on custom here, I can choose my gender, choose the age I want to target, and I'll say 18 to 55, right? And then for interest, I'll choose education, vehicle transportation, financial services. I'll choose news and entertainment, business services. Just select as much as the one that actually concerns whatever you are promoting and the reason for your promotion. I'm going to click on save. And once I have that, you can actually see that I'm going to go over to the next step where I'll be selecting my budget. Okay, so for this ads, let's say I want to run ads for 3,000 per day. I can also change it and switch it over to, let's say, 1,000 per day, right? And I would say I want to run this for, let's say, 2 days, okay? Now with this, you can actually see here that the price deduction for this ad is going to be 2,000 naira. Obviously, 1,000 naira ad per day for 2 days is 2,000. Now, once we are here, you can actually see that on the option of getting to set up your ads, you want to buy coins, okay? And as you can see here, I need to promote with 2,000 naira, and then I don't have much coins here. I have insufficient coins, okay? Now, what I'm going to do here is to now click on recharge, because once I click on recharge, it's going to take me over to where I'm going to be recharging for this particular coins. And in this very case, I want to choose 3,000 naira, and that is me getting 139 coins. I'm going to click on recharge. Now, once I click on recharge, I'm able to use my MasterCard, the one linked to my bank already, and I'm paying in naira. Now, I can click on one tap to buy, and you're going to see right here that I'm going to be able to make this recharge payment successful, and I would obviously be credited with the 3,000 naira balance. And you can see here, they're going to be deducting the 2,000 naira from this particular, balance for this ad. And the next thing I can do here is to click on start. Now, once I click on start right here, you can see it's already paying, and it's going to proceed to show me that this particular ad is under review. I can proceed to click on see more as well, right? And you can see all of the details of this very ad. Now, this right here is exactly how your ads would look like, right? You would be seeing that particular video on the screen, but then there's going to be a button at the lower bottom that actually takes people to whatever actions that particular ad is for, whether it's for them to check a profile or it's for them to proceed to, visit the website or whatever CTA you have. Okay. Now I'm going to come over here to the dashboard section, and you can see on this dashboard, I've spent about 500 naira on ads on this particular account, right? And I've gotten 800 video views, it's 2 new followers and all. And this is the ad we just set up now. And as you can see, this ad will actually take TikTok about 5 to 30 minutes to review, right? And they are going to approve this particular ad, or they get to decline it. For most of my ads, they've been approved, and the ads just start running and the goal is set up. Okay, so from this particular space right here, you can actually get more details around the result. So you're going to be seeing a general overview result of your ads, your spend, your results, within a couple of days and all. All right, so with this, you can simply just get to track, and you have your TikTok ads fully set up. Now, this is exactly what you'll be needing to do for your TikTok ads, especially if you're running ads for new followers and all. Now, understanding the very huge potential of TikTok ads right now and how it is going to affect your business and your growth in the online space, I've actually created a full package program that I call Setting High Converting TikTok Ads in Nigeria. Now, the goal here is to walk you through, as a business owner and online entrepreneur, how you can actually get more traffic and also get more leads, get more conversion with TikTok ads. And this particular program right here is where I'm actually going to be showing you exactly the step-by-step process on what you need to do, how you need to set up your funnel, how you need to set up your copies, how you need to set up your sales process in order to start getting more sales with TikTok ads. And I'm going to be leaving the first link down there in the description below for the very first 100 people who would access this particular free webinar that I have created where I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of more things around TikTok ads and giving you access to a couple of insider secrets on how to make this ad work for you, especially if you're a business owner or you're looking at generating more traffic and leads for your product. Now, proceed right now to click the first link down in the description and let us get started on there. But then guys, if you actually have more concerns around TikTok ads or you have a couple of questions, do well to ask me down there in the comment section below, and I will definitely get to respond to every one of you. At the same time, you want to make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to the channel, especially the bell icon, so that you don't miss any of my videos. With this guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.